Hello everyone. Today we're going to introduce our Bioplus filters to you. So with these new filters, we all know what's reverse osmosis. So when you have a reverse osmosis system, it removes everything out of your water, which means your water is super clean, there's no minerals in it. But now we have the Bioplus range of filters. Now what the Bioplus range of filters does is there's four functions. Number one is it increases the pH by up to 3. So if it was 5, it will increase it to 8. The second thing it does is it increases the hydrogen in the water. So your hydrogen will reach up to 400 ppb. It also adds minerals. So normally after reverse osmosis, your TDS comes down to close to 0, and this would add it back, bring it back up over 100. So minerals are added. And the last one is the ORP. It reduces the ORP to -400, up to -400. So
Which is the standards for good, clean, drinkable water.
yeah. So what this does is reverse osmosis should be your first stage of purification, because you're removing all the bad stuff. So if there is bad stuff in your water, that is. So reverse osmosis cleans it, brings the water to a state where there's no minerals or close to no minerals. Now this would put it all back. Now what makes this different is I'm just going to show you a sample. There's many filters like this that many people are selling. I'm not going to mention brands or anything like that, but most of these filters have little or no function at all. It only looks like a mineral injector, but when you put water through it, there's nothing there. So the advantage of the Bioplus range is most of them come with, I'm just going to open one to show you. So if you look at these Bioplus filters, they're not very expensive. It's a little more expensive than the standard ones, but
They range between 50 and 150 rand.
no, that's just the wholesale. I'm not supposed to mention prices. Anyway, let's just go on with it. So it comes with your testing liquids for the pH and for the ORP. So you can test, and the TDS you can test with a TDS meter. You'll test your RO water with 0, and after this you'll see the TDS has increased. So
Well, in layman's terms, your normal mineral filters would maybe only add in about 10 or 18 or 20 different trace minerals back into the water, where Bioplus has proven that it can add up to 130 trace elements of minerals, the correct minerals, back into the water.
yeah, so like I said, there's 6 different models that we have currently in South Africa. Five of them are basically doing the same function. It's just that some of them have longer life, which is all in the data sheets, and also like the top of the range models is these two. They have the best effect, but all of that is in the data sheets that we will provide to you. So any questions so far, Heidi?
What is the main benefits of Bioplus? You said now 4. You named 4 of them,
Yeah.
but there's a lot more. I mean, stuff like antibacterial, anti-obesity, anti-cancer, anti-diabetes. This is an incredible world revolutionary product. Microclustered water, exactly as we were talking about it. I mean, This product just has it all. It is going to basically take the whole water industry by storm. Trust me, I've been waiting for this for a long time.
Okay, so the advantage of this product is that we believe it makes your water to be living water, compared to just RO water, which is clean water, but not the best for your health. So this, for your health, according to all the research done, it can heal many sicknesses. I'm not going to specify. It's not a cure for anything. So we
Well,
can't say.
the main thing, if you have a look at it, the main thing is that for 60 years people have it's been under our noses the actual big benefits about hydrogen, and hydrogen is actually the smallest mineral on the periodic table, and that can actually penetrate your blood-brain barrier. That's where your DNA sits, to actually kill all the free radicals, all the bad things that it is, and repair your DNA as well. So that's one of the big things, and that's where 90% of the world's diseases are formed, is in your blood-brain barrier.
Okay, so if you're interested in these filters, like I said, there's 5 models that can be added after your domestic RO machine. We also have the industrial mix for water shops selling water, but we've sold out immediately when it came in. And then there's one more filter that if you're selling water dispensers, this is the one that
Now this is fantastic.
so in your water dispenser you could use this filter. It replaces the cap, so you don't have to have caps anymore, and you use that as the stopper.
That's correct.
And it also, instead of just selling RO water, you have mineral water. Oh, this is it. So
Another big advantage, Terence, is that commonly your normal standard dispenser bottle is 18.9 liters, and the lifespan of this filter can actually be up to 3,000 liters for remineralizing. So that's quite a few reuses on that. That's what makes it value for money.
So if it's 20 liters in a bottle, that's like 150 times you can use it. So buying this filter may be cheaper than replacing the caps.
Caps in the end. That's
Just for
true.
buying this filter. So, and it also comes with testing liquid. So these products really work. Like I said before, there's many types of post mineral filters. Most of them have claims but not tested. So with these filters, we're also gonna share the test video that shows you the difference with each element that we tested. So,
And I mean, just think to yourself, any product that backs itself like that, you see, we give you a testing kit, a real testing kit with the filter, are confident about their product, because you can prove it for yourself. You can actually see it working in front of you. So that's where the big bonus is. No one can really argue about these filters.
okay, Eddie, any more questions? I don't have anything more to say.
Nothing more. All I can say is get ready for a big change in the water industry, because this is going to take the entire world by storm. Bioplus water.
Yes. So we're going to share more and more information as the days go by. So if you need any more information, you can contact Eddie, because he's read up all the material and he's been discussing with the suppliers. And we're also going to post videos on each one. I think we're going to make a separate video.
I think so.
We'll make a video on each product. We'll open it, show you how it works, how much it increases the pH, TDS.
Now, one key thing, just before we end, you said that it raises the pH up to a level of 3. So if pH is 5, it'll raise it to 8. But let's say your pH is 7.2 and you want the benefits of alkaline water. It'll go up to a maximum of 9.5 and not exceed 9.5, which is the key, because you don't want to go beyond 10 on your pH. That's too alkaline water. So it actually blocks it up until a 9.5, that's world revolutionary when it comes to stuff like that.
Yeah, so that's it for us. That's all, folks.
That's it. Thanks, Terence.
Okay.